How to find Twitter URL on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will guide you how you can find Twitter URL on mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Twitter or X application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile at the top left corner. From here, again tap on profile option. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now to find your profile URL, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From these options available, tap on share. Now you have your profile link. You can simply tap on copy and you have copied your profile link on your clipboard. Now you can share the link with friends or others. That's it. That's how you can find Twitter URL on mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.